The 2-2. Bader, soft liner, and caught.
One out, Zobrist.
Garcia. And he'll face Albert Almora Jr. It's all there. There's a ground ball. There's 1 and 2, a double play, no RBI. An elite camp back in 2008 to sign him. And Osuna with a diving grab.
Cologne. This one's popped up. Josh Bell underneath it, and will make the catch.
About that.
Gibson was ornery. There's perhaps a double play ball, and they're able to go.
The Deacon.
Hits Wade LeBlanc 3 runs in 2 innings. Neverauskas will get the last out.
One pitch. And if Mercer can corral it.
EK. That's what we call him, Morty EK. 2 games, but much better tonight.
Complete effort for the Pirates tonight. They get the out.
Really much better at command issues. Gope, of course, from Africa. Ball in the air to right. And Polanco. Harrison at the edge of the grass. Fields it, and Neverauskas.
The 3rd inning today. Pirates would have already gone home in defeat. 3-2. Strike 3. Out to Marte. Swire retreats
over top of those balls he was blocking.
Driven out to center. But McCutcheon right there.
Off either the glove or the wrist, and gets an out. Very impressive.
Right?
Yeah.
Could be a popular
Swing and a miss. The first. Bouncing ball, and how about Neverauskas? Called a Neverauskas. Utley. Freeze out. Marte in. It's Marte. Tapper, Maeda hustling down the line, but Diaz.
It's 24 years of age.
High fly ball off the bat of Albert. Marte will grab it. The go-ahead homer in the 6th. One in the short center, and it'll be caught by the shortstop. Line shot. Caught. Ball strike 3.
Hit to Bell. 1, 2.
And he struck him out. And Neverauskas with the 2nd out. And the Pirates blank the Cubs today.
Bostic in left.
Get up into those raindrops.
Nice little play by Bell. 1.
Two swung on and missed by.
About it the first time.
And you said there's a fly ball in the right. Something to the effect about the Little League team.
Whether or not I was doing the job or not. And you get communicated.
Deep in the hole. Mercer, tough play. Wow, that's a good play.
In Italy,
prior to being signed. There's a grounder out to short. Moroff will make the play. Chopper to first. Bell is there. A caveat on the superlative. Fly ball slicing. Long run for Marte. And he's got it to end the inning.
Because they want to take care of Romano's arm, I'm sure. But there are rarely times when you see a pitcher get into the
left center field. 1-0 pitch to Jesse Winker. Ground ball backhanded by Bell. Take it himself.
Not underneath it.
Just missed it. Didn't miss it by much either. What?
Pham came in 9th in the league in hitting. Neverauskas will get him. There's a double play ball.
Pitcher of the year, and it's rare to see a guy come up and 0.2 billion people that live on the continent, but not popular. Another
pretty good lead at first base.
Time for McCutcheon to get into that one. Diaz pounces on it and gets an out.
Oh, what a pick. What a pick.
Sean Rodriguez.
The pitchers you haven't seen before. And Murphy does drill that ball to deep center. McCutcheon made a last-second reach to get it. Fastball, and that gets Jose Lobaton. And the breaking ball got him.
24 appearances. A fly ball to Polanco. Yep.
So you don't need very many guys on the bench.
Dickerson makes the catch. And Marte. Boy, Marte.
Here in the 6th. Out to Frazier. Just on the ball game and left. That is a pitcher's best friend. Around the horn, they turn 2. And in the air should be the inning.
Wow. The great escape.
Nicely done by Dovydas Neverauskas.
Now Marte back.
Maybe it was, and I just didn't pay attention to it.
Marte over in a hurry. And he got him.
Oh,
looking.
That's actually pretty good. It's exactly what it sounds like backwards. Rodriguez will lead off the 9th.
Second inning. They've broken his bat on the ground ball to hard hit ball to third. Nice play by Freeze, and the long throw will get Wallach. And of course, they had been really good defensively coming in. Rojas towards center field. Moving over is Marte, and that one hangs up for him.
Help you out.
He gets a strikeout. Diving stop by Freeze. Robbing Hayward. And he does a nice job. And right to the shortstop Mercer, to Harrison, to Freeze. Neverauskas, outstanding work. And Goldschmidt caught looking.
In this at bat to Goldschmidt. And he struck him out.
Number 3 is a tough one.
Right to Jordy Mercer.
You hit that right on, Joe. 6 innings no matter what for Kershaw.
You could do this. Now this year,
on a 3-2, Turner fouls it into the glove for strike 3, and they chased a fastball here, and he's the first out of the 7th.
And he comes back to strike him out with some heat. Popped him up.
More 1 year. And Neverauskas.
Line drive, center field, and tracking it down is Marte.
And the A's picking up Fernando Rodney for the Twins. And Neverauskas.
His Panthers and his Nittany Lions, because the Rockies will host the Dodgers, and Neverauskas. Hard hit. Wow, that was a bullet.
Kelly is the final out.
Scoreless 6th. And in the air toward Marte. And Pena came on to catch. Bounces this to Osuna.
Where you park your car every day. I mean, every little thing we've been doing for forever on all those things.
And Osuna. And this should be one. It is.
Long ball.
Yep. Shallow center. Marte coming in, gets a nice jump, makes a nice catch. And Dovydas Neverauskas. Tapped, stays fair, and that is one out. That's going back to that series in late August at PNC Park, and a pop-up. Marte. Launches this one to left. Dickerson back at the wall, and Corey Dickerson is there.
Got to keep it close, though. Yeah, there's one out.
Pirates pitching against Cubs hitters.
And Bodie down on strikes. And now officially out. Not if you keep it on the ground. Neverauskas with a scoreless inning of relief.
Yep, swung at that one. Francisco might be done for the year. I don't know if he's going to play in one.
Ah, nice finish. Raise the Jolly Roger in Cincinnati.
That's a strike. Been used, so Stallings taking a look and seeing if he might need to get in there. Osuna in foul ground.
Did he move his feet?
Hit well, but Tucker has the final out.
First home run of the season, and here's Neverauskas now against Chu, and first pitch swinging and a ground ball and on to first.
Ahead 0-2.
Let's 2-2 fly. And Seager cracks a lazy fly ball to left field for Brian Reynolds. 1 up. 2 out of their 5 starters, really. Beatty climbs the ladder, lines it to right. That's caught by Elmore. Chopper to third. Newman takes it to the bag.
Bell will toss to Neverauskas, and finally. Nice play. Frazier get one, and Newman. Thomas signed it. Strike 3 called. To center field. Marte makes the catch. So Neverauskas, weak pop up. Ground ball to the shortstop. Strike 3 called, and a 10th pitch, and he got him. Line drive to right. So Neverauskas.
What a night.
Yeah.
What a night it's been.
Early July 2019. And a nice catch by Jose Osuna. Second out. And Rays.
Numbers at AAA, but not always translating here. Maybe this is the time that it all sticks. Two quick outs.
Late bloomer, maybe.
Yeah. And his first
in the bullpen for the Brewers.
He struck out Christian Yelich. 2 out, 2 strike double. Roller to Newman. He goes to second. The 2-2. He struck him out.
Neverauskas to the plate. You could hear someone yell home. Six, 4, 3.
Nicely done.
And like putty in his hands, he gets him to strike out. And it's in his feet. Nice recovery.
On season, it's a little easier.
Out to Newman.
In the 11th inning of game 2. Popped up. See Neverauskas pointing.
Saying up, pointing off to the left. Got underneath that one.
Yeah.
And the bot, but it just hit too hard.
4-3 put out.
That has been the standard. Neverauskas.
1-0 on Smoke at the 5-man outfield and hit the other way. Reynolds. Pretty awesome, actually.
Hitters, and even if you would send anybody up there.
Off of Neverauskas' glove. And Bell will toss to Neverauskas. Better hurry, he does.
Well, it'll be an interesting offseason, I think, to see.
It's tenured Pirates now. And he strikes out realistic and uncomfortable scene in there, and that was just one little glimpse of what Jackie Robinson.
Softly hit line. Man on. And a runner breaks for second. Osuna. There he goes. Swing and a miss. Stallings throw down, and Rizzo has a stolen base. Tap back to Neverauskas. And a terrible throw, but. And a pop up. Newman out. And makes the catch. Line right at Garcia. Bounce to Hayes. A look towards second.
Wow. Leaning forward a little bit so that the ball will hopefully go straight down in front of him.
With 1 out, it's rare.
Yeah, you got to really work at it.
Franco didn't like his swing out of that. With lots of good ideas tonight. That's the first one we've used, though.
Yeah.
Just about, maybe a half as there's a good.
Yes, he did. Practice from the field. And there's a line drive towards center field, and Jason Martin, good looking play. Riddle over by short. And Neverauskas. Line drive caught by Osuna. One away. Did he? He did. O's first at bat. And this should do it. Reynolds will squeeze it and will raise the Jolly.